Want to make your MS Word documents look professional and creative in seconds? Most people never discover this hidden text effect, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to curve text like a designer. Keep watching. First, go to the Insert tab at the top menu of MS Word. This step is very important. If you miss this, nothing else works. Click it, and you're on the right track. Here's where the fun begins. Click the Word Art icon that's slanted A and pick any style you like. Type your text. Bolder fonts look better when curved. Keep that in mind. With your text box still selected, go to the Shape Format tab. Then click on Text Effects, the glowing A icon. Pay close attention. Most people stop here, but the real secret comes next. Final step, don't miss this. Hover your mouse over Transform at the bottom of the list. Then from the Follow Path section, select Arch or Circle. Boom, your text is instantly curved. Try both options and adjust the curve size by dragging the yellow diamond handles. If this helped, hit subscribe and watch the next video where I show you how to wrap curved text around images.